Hey guys, come with me to Bavaro Adventure Park in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Now, I got an Uber from my Airbnb and it took me directly over there. It's not on the main road, so I had to drive off the main road and get over to the adventure park. I booked this activity, this excursion with Gustavus.com. You know, we know about Gustavus, they always have some deals going on in Jamaica, DR, and so on. So I got there, joined the line, it was a long line, and then when I got to the front, I showed them my ticket pass and let's go. Hi guys, I can't carry you guys with me. I have to leave you in a little. I'm gonna put it and then when I come back, I take you guys back. So serious. This is how the lockers are looking. And they put you away. I am 1073. Hi guys, I just have the opportunity to take you guys back over. I've been doing the zip line. It was scary. It wasn't like extremely scary, but it was scary. And I kind of hurt my hands just a little bit. The last one, I had to dip in the water when I came off, and I was supposed to bend my knees. I don't have bend my knees correctly, but here we are. So let's go to the lazy river.